Looking for the perfect smoky eye that stays flawless through all the shadi rituals? Let me show you how to create this stunning look. Take some tape and put it on the back of your hands so it does not hurt your skin. Then put it diagonally to your brows. Always remember to choose the shade that is closest to your natural skin color as your first transition shade. That way it will give you a smooth and natural transition. I am taking a burgundy brown shade here and packing it on my lids. For people who have hooded eyes like mine, always remember to start applying the shadow over your crease. And if you feel like you have taken too much on a brush, just apply some on the other eye. This is going to be our base color. You know, I always felt like brown bases complement Indian outfits beautifully. Now I'm taking some light brown shadow and applying nicely over the dark brown shade. Take your time and blend like a pro for the soft gradient effect. Remember, this step is everything. Now, take a liner that is easily smudgeable and line your eyes. Now, take a liner brush and smudge the line. Subscribe for more shadi-proof looks like this. And if you like this makeup tutorial so far, make sure to check out my other videos where I explore more makeup looks like this and topics and life lessons which more or so I feel like every Indian is facing in modern times. I have linked it on the I button and also on my descriptions. So make sure to check that out. You can even pull a wing if you want to, as we have the tapes for precision. I feel like this look is so versatile that whether you're the bride or the bridesmaid or just there to do some paid puja while looking stunning, this look is for you. So this is one of those looks which you can wear it with lehenga or jeans and you will be the talk of the town either way. Apply some golden highlighter on the corner of your eyes to brighten up your look. This golden hue makes it absolutely perfect for wearing it with lehengas. Comment down if you want a tutorial on how to make your lashes look 2x bigger. This step is optional, but if you want, you can make the look darker with some black shadow. We are shadi ready. Whether it's the mehendi, sangeet or reception, this smoky eye will have everyone asking for makeup secrets. Share this with your bestie and don't forget to tag her for your next wedding glam inspo. See you guys on the next video.